have the M760Li facelift in a matte champagne-ish color, which is not bad. In fact, it's very elegant. It's very elegant. It's a very unique color. And yeah, what do we have here? We have the kidneys. Are they large? Are they larger than before? I'm not so sure about that. Anyway, what I'm sure is that I like the M760 and I like V12s. So the good thing about this versus a S65 is that this thing is four-wheel drive. And it has somewhat sportier design, and for sure it's a lot more elegant than that goldish themed S65. Too bad it's locked. You have to see my videos in the end of this clip, or for the rear, how the rear seat is, which is actually, I mean, I would say best in class. See if I can walk around this thing without walking into anyone. Facelift M760. I mean, I wouldn't say it looked bad. It's just, you should get used to that solid red line that the Panamera Turbo and Audi A8 has, and Audi A7 and Audi A6, and the large kidneys. But once you get used to that, it probably works. If I just could choose like an optional smaller kidney, would be nice actually. Anyway, that's all.